Good morning class. Welcome back to grade 5 maths. How are you all doing today? So today let's learn about the expanded and short form of decimal numbers. So what is expanded form? The expanded form of any given number is the representation of the sum of its place values. So when a number is expressed as the sum of its place values, you call it as expanded form. Clear? Now consider this number here. How do you read this number? What is the number name? It is read as 5179.85. Remember, after a decimal point, we always read the digits separately. So how do you read this? 5179.85. Now let's see the place value of each of these digits. The digit 5 here is in the thousands place. So what is the place value of 5? The place value of 5 is equal to 5 into 1000 or 5000. And what about the place value of 1? 1 is in hundreds place. So the place value of 1 here is 1 hundredths or 100. And 7 is in tens place. So the place value is 7 tenths or 70. 9 is in ones place. So the place value is 9 ones or 9. And what about the decimal part? The digit 8 is in the tens place. So what is the value of the tens place? It is 1 by 10. So how do you find the place value of 8 here? The place value of 8 here is 8 into 1 by 10, which is equal to 8 by 10. And how do you write that in decimal form? There is 1 0 here. So there is only one digit after the decimal point. So you write 8 by 10 as 0.8. What about the place value of 5 here? 5 is in the hundredths place. So what is the value of the hundredths place? It is 1 by 100. So the place value of 5 will be 5 into 1 by 100, which is equal to 5 by 100. How do you write that in decimal form? You write that as 0.05. There are two places after the decimal point. Why? Because there are two zeros here. Now, you have seen the place values. Now, let's write the expanded form. The expanded form is the sum of all the place values, right? So, you write the place values of each of the digit with the plus symbol in between, and here you have the expanded form of this number. So, what is the expanded form? Expanded form of 5179.85 is equal to 5000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 9 plus 0.8 plus 0.05. Clear? Now, let's see one more example. What is this number? How do you read this? You read this number as 78.785. 78.785. Let's see the place value of each of the digits in it. Place value of 7 in the whole number part is 7 tenths or 70. And the place value of the 8 in the whole number part is 8 ones or 8. Now let's see the place value of the digits in the decimal part. Now what is the value of the 7 in the decimal part? The place value of 7 in the decimal part is 7 tenths or 7 into 1 by 10, and it is equal to 0.7. What about the 8 in the hundredths part? There the place value is 8 into 1 by 100 or 8 hundredths, and that is equal to 0.08. Now the place value of 5 in the decimal part. It will be equal to 5 into 1 by thousands or 5 thousandths, and it is equal to 0.005. Now we have seen the place values of the digits. Now let's write the expanded form. So the expanded form of 78.785 is equal to 70 plus 8, and this represents the whole number part. See, 70 and 8. This is the whole number part, and here we have the place values of the decimal part. So it is 70 plus 8 plus 0.7 plus 0.08 plus 0.005, and this part represents the decimal part, and here it represents the whole number part. Now that we have seen the expanded form, let's move on to the short form of decimals. Now, how do you write short form of a number when you are given the expanded form? You take the sum of all the place values in the expanded form, right? So here there is one example. Here an expanded form is given 300 plus 80 plus 3 plus 4 by 10 or 4 tenths plus 5 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. How do you write the short form from this expanded form? See, we know this part, these numbers or these place values represents the place value of the whole number part in the number, and this part will represent the digits in the decimal part. So from this we can write this whole number part 300 plus 80 plus 3. Let's add up these place values which will give us 383. Now we have the whole number part. Now let's add up the decimal part. So 4 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 7 by thousands. Let's change these fractions into decimal form. So that would be equal to 383 plus 4 by 10 is equal to 0.4, 5 by 100 is equal to 0.05 and 7 by 1000 is equal to 0.007. Now let's add up all these numbers. We write the whole number part as it is. We put the decimal point, and after the decimal point what should come? 0.4. So which is the digit in the tens place? It is 0.4. So we write that 4 here, and in hundreds place what should come? This 5 should come, and the thousands place has 7. So our number would be 383.457. Clear? Now, let's see one more example. We have this expanded form here. 2000 plus 300 plus 3 plus 1 by 10 plus 3 by thousands. So, this is 1 tenth and this is 3 thousandths. Not the spelling, it's 3 thousandths. There is THS in the end. So, this part represents the whole number and this represents the decimal part. So, let's add up the place values of the whole number part. It is 2000 plus 300 plus 3. What is it? 2000 plus 300 plus 3 is equal to 2303. And then what is 1 by 10? It is equal to 0.1 or 0.1, and 3 by 1000 is equal to 0.003. So we write the sum as 2303 point. See, in the tens place we have 1. So you write that here. And do we have a digit in to represent the hundreds place or 1 by 100? No. So we put a 0 over there. Then we have the digit in the thousands place, which is equal to 3. So we write that as 2303.10 and then 3. Clear? So this is the short form of the given expanded form. I hope you are clear with this. Now you have to go through the topic expanded form of decimals and short form of decimals, which is in page number 80 and 81 of your textbook. Please go through the same. Then move on to exercise 5.1, which is in page number 82. You have to complete the questions, question number 2, 3 and 4. Clear? Once you are done with that, please do take a picture and send us through Teams. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye.